Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. I have a pretty one here today. This is a South Bend Model A 9-inch by 16-inch bench lathe. It has a single-phase 115-volt motor on it. And it is exceptionally clean. The guy I got it from a school about 20 years ago. He went through and cleaned it up and painted it. He didn't do any scraping or anything. He thinks that's original. And it purrs like a kitten. Quick change gearbox isn't original to the machine, because this only actually has a 3-foot bed. Digital readout. Cross feed. And this one even has a digital readout scale on the compound. Which, flip that on, and you'll see it's set at 30 degrees. And so when you turn your compound, it moves on both axes. I've never seen anybody do that before, and that's pretty cool. Has a really clean Bison 5-inch 3-jaw self-centering chuck and a Laura's tool post. And he has incredible attention to detail. He cleaned and painted and oiled everything. Telescoping steady rest. Tailstock. That's even in there. That must have been mounted to the wall. I just have it pinned to this styrofoam right now. Nice heavy oak bench. And tons of tooling. When I said he's particular, I wasn't kidding. He's got all the correct oils and plenty of it. 3C collet closer with collets, spindle nose protector, South Bend spanner wrench, 9-inch manual, how to run a lathe. Got the old lantern style tool post with a bunch of holders. Some bits, tool bits. Here's some tool holders. Cutoff tool. Laura's turning, facing, and boring. Drill chuck. Bison. Morse taper 2 live center. Morse taper 2 dead center. Really nice Morse taper 3 dead center with the carbide tip for the headstock. Milling attachment. Drive plate. Face plate. 4-jaw independent chuck. An extra 3-jaw. And metric change gears. So if you want a really well-tooled, very clean machine, I think it's sitting here at Lost Creek Machine right now. Give us a call.